We're here at CES Unveiled in Vegas, and when in Vegas, we like to drink. This time, we're drinking wine. Now, we've been taste testing some wine through Coravin's Model 11 wine opener. It's not really a corkscrew. It actually uses a kind of slender needle to kind of insert itself into the bottle of wine. The idea being, by replacing any wine you pour with argon gas, there's going to be no oxidation. Your wine isn't going to be affected by being opened, and you can enjoy, your sumptuous, expensive bottles of Beaujolais nice and slowly throughout a year, or maybe more than a year. Now, obviously, Engadget doesn't normally do wine openers, and of course, there's some tech involved. This is the Model 11, and this time it's now a smart bottle opener. That involves an integration of a new app. Now, the app, after scanning the wine collection you have, will suggest food pairings and even media pairings. If, say, you want to watch a 80s movie and eat popcorn, it will suggest wine pairings, either nostalgia-based timings of wines or something that will suit the palate of whatever you're eating. Now, for those of us with cellars full of expensive wines, the Coravin Model 11 comes with a reassuring price tag. It'll land in September, priced at $999. Cheers.